Hi, I'm Julian Pieters. I'm Managing Director of Ampetronic. I'm here to talk about the new product range we're launching today in multi-loop drivers. Ampetronic provide audio induction loop systems. These are products for hearing assistance. They're used around the world, increasingly being adopted in all the markets we serve in, and are often the preferred technology for hard of hearing. They can be installed in all kinds of private and commercial environments, and they provide a discrete, simple way of communicating audio to people with hearing loss. Ampetronic have been technology and market leader in this field for over 25 years. We always have kept in front of the market, and we're bringing a new range of products today that take multi-loop systems to the next level. Multi-loop systems are an essential part of modern professional loop systems and an ever-increasing proportion of what we do. Multi-loop systems use multiple segments of cable arranged in different configurations around rooms to give very even control of magnetic fields and to make sure you don't have magnetic field where you don't want it. It's also essential to control magnetic fields where you have metal structures in buildings, which is an extremely common part of modern building techniques. Multi-loop systems to date have needed equipment, multiple different pieces of equipment to drive them. Our new range of products, multi-loop drivers, provide a very simple, very compact, very efficient and high-performance solution in a single box to drive a whole different array of flexible multi-loop systems. So the new products set a new benchmark for this kind of multi-loop system. Each one contains two drivers with the ability to use phase shift between them or not, so we have an extremely flexible array of things we can do. So to talk about some of the benefits, I mean, they look great for a start, which we're very proud of, but much more important than that, one of the things we should talk about is space. Rack space is an ever more important feature for our customers. In the past, to do any kind of array like this, or any kind of multi-loop system, you've needed between 3 rack spaces and 10 rack spaces. Each one of the multi-loop drivers is a 1U case, which means we're reducing space requirements from as much as 10 rack spaces down to 1 in a single product. This is a big deal for a lot of our customers. If you're talking about something like a lectern in a university lecture hall, there really is high pressure on space. Anywhere that you're putting this kind of system in, rack space has a real cost associated with it. So this change with the multi-loop driver products is making a very substantial benefit for the customers. It's not just about space, of course, so we've introduced some other significant improvements in this range. Robustness and reliability has always been a key feature for Ampetronic. It's a very important part of what we do. With these products, we bring that to a new level. We have new levels of thermal protection, short circuit and overload protection, with the approach that these products really, regardless of what you do to them, these should be solid, robust products. They're also very flexible products. We have a very flexible array of inputs. We put status reporting outputs across the full range of products. We have the ability to use a phase shift either on or off, so we have a very high degree of flexibility in the way that we can approach designs for different environments. And of course, these come with backed up with the training for them and design tools to allow customers to configure them to particular environments, and of course our extensive support team that can help people to configure multi-loop systems into any environment. So this is the MLD5, MLD7, MLD9, the 3 new products in our multi-loop driver range. We're setting a new benchmark, a completely new standard and reference point for multi-loop systems in our industry. We're excited to bring them to market today.